Hi friends, it's Miss Gabby again, and today we're going to learn phonics. What letter are we going to look at today? It will be the letter Q. The letter Q makes a really unique sound. For example, the letter Q makes the qu sound. Can you think of a word that begins with the letter Q? Can you think of a word that begins with the letter Q? How about the word queen? Queen. Can you hear the beginning sound when I say queen? Can you hear the sound qu when I say queen? Now that's one example of a word that begins with the letter Q. I want you to continue on watching this video and I will show you other words that begins with the letter Q or the beginning sound qu.
Quiet, quiet. Quilt, quilt. Quail, quail. Now these are just some example of words beginning with the sound qu.
Okay friends, so let's review again. The letter that we learned today is the letter Q. And the sound for the letter Q is qu, qu, qu. Okay, so I'll see you again on our next lesson. Bye guys!